Welcome to an exciting chance to immerse yourself in the work of the Syngenta Grassweed Focus site here at Barton in Cambridgeshire. It will put a whole new perspective on spray techniques for grassweed control. Here we are in the second year of long-term trials to investigate conventional and novel techniques to control blackgrass throughout the rotation. As we fly over, let's have a good look all around. Turn to the left and to the right, and you'll see some of the hundreds of trials looking at a combination of cultivation options, establishment systems and novel techniques. We have a vast array of herbicide sequences, stacks and combinations, along with rotational crops, seed rates and cover crops. And in the third field, over there, we have the trials programme dedicated to pioneering application research. We have shown that using new nozzle technology and refining application techniques can have a huge impact to reduce the risk of spray drift. With the help of 360 camera technology, we'll open up the secrets of exactly what's going on behind, in and under the spray boom. So let's go spray. It looks a beautiful spray day from up here, but you can see from the drift and the huge amount of dust just how much is moving in the air. Whoa, look at him go. There's a man in a hurry. You quite literally can't see him for dust, but he is travelling at nearly 20 km/h using flat fan nozzles, and just watch the spray drift. The bare soils for pre-em application combined with flat fields and thermal movement makes for really challenging spray conditions. But just think that spray drift is taking product away from its intended target, which will inevitably have an effect on efficacy. So, let's slow him down and relax. Lo and behold, the amount of spray drift dramatically reduces. As you slow down, the pressure eases off, so you've got fewer fine droplets and the boom stability improves, which helps to maintain a constant boom height. It's just so much more manageable, and the trials prove you'll be doing a more effective job. So far, that spraying has all been done with flat fan nozzles. Now, we've moved to 90% drift reduction nozzles in the right hand side of the boom, but with flat fans on the left. Here we've got the boom up at 1 metre, and look at how far the plume of spray drift from the flat fans is moving. Now, watch the boom descend, and sure enough, the amount of spray drift is immediately reduced. Look across and note the lesser extent of the spray tail from the flat fans now, to what you saw earlier with the higher boom. And let's see that from another angle, because boom height really is a critical setting. Keep looking left and right, and all around at the influence you can have with sprayer setup. The efficacy results with 90% drift reduction nozzles have been so impressive for pre-em application, and you can also see the huge benefits in terms of spray drift reduction. Look around, and the drift from the flat fans is going way out of sight, but the 90% ensure the product hits the target. And this awesome sequence shows why, just so long as he misses the camera. As he comes over the top, look up to the left, it's the 90%, where you can see there's plenty of droplets hitting the target, but over to the right, the fine droplets from the flat fans are just blown away. Stop there, and let's look to compare. Spray application is key to minimising the risk of drift and getting the best possible results. Growers and operators have an obligation to minimise the risk of drift to prevent spray movement into ecological areas or non-target crops, as well as protecting the future regulatory approval of important herbicide options. So, with the right speed, boom height and nozzle choice, you have now seen what we have proven at the Barton trial site, that you can improve pre-em application techniques and achieve more effective grassweed control. Follow the mantra, go low, go slow, get covered. Syngenta, the grassweed specialists. Find out more at syngenta.co.uk.